All news tonight, people rallying against the Senate's version of Obamacare replacement bill in Naples. Members of the Southwest Florida Justice for All Coalition were at the intersection of Golden Gate Boulevard and Airport Pulling Road speaking out about the proposed bill. 4 News Corner Sam Sosa was at the rally talking to people about what they fear the plan could mean for you and your family.
I say health care, you say human rights, health care.
Human rights.
People rally in Naples as part of the Southwest Florida Justice for All Coalition in hopes of preventing the newly released Senate health care bill from passing in the coming weeks.
Trump care as wealth care.
Chanting about the proposed plan and holding signs like these condemning the repeal of the Affordable Care Act.
If you vote for this bill, we want to tell them we'll do everything in our power to stop your re-election.
The team handing out flyers to people in traffic with instructions on how to call up Senator Nelson and Rubio to urge them to vote against the bill.
I have one word, it's called chump care.
Cynthia Odierna, co-founder of the group,
Our health insurance.
calls the plan chump care because she believes it'll make health care unaffordable for Americans.
Poor people or middle-class people may get a $250 tax break and feel, well, I got something, but in the meantime, they're not going to be able to afford insurance anymore.
She's particularly worried about people with pre-existing conditions. Although the bill does not allow for insurance companies to deny people coverage based on their health, it would allow for states to obtain waivers which may eliminate essential health benefits in a plan. Meaning if you want that certain benefit and a state doesn't consider it essential, you may have to pay more.
There's no cap on how much the cost will be. If you're going to repeal Obamacare, give it something better. Obamacare was faulty, but at least people for the first time have insurance, and they're going to throw millions of people off the insurance rolls.
Well, the bill would also repeal Obamacare's taxes on the wealthy and defund Planned Parenthood for a year. It would also eliminate the mandate requiring people to have health care to avoid a fine.